Get ready to be mesmerized. Our today's destination is the most beautiful and stunning Jannat Waterfall. A winding road of unparalleled beauty leads to the breathtaking Jannat Waterfall, covered with greenery on both sides. Jannat Waterfall is located at a distance of 17 km from Ayubia and a distance of 40 km from Murray. The 17 kilometers distance from Ayubia to Jannat Waterfall is somewhat paved but treacherous, with steep mountains, dangerous slopes, and deep ravine on one side. However, nature lovers effortlessly traverse this path, and stunning views of Jannat Waterfall make every challenge worthwhile. We have finally arrived at the base camp of the Jannat Waterfall. After parking our bikes, we will embark on a short but sweet hike to the waterfall. This may take few minutes. Waterfall is surrounded by beautiful lush green towering mountains. The first glimpse of waterfall is nothing short of breathtaking. It leaves you spellbound, and for few moments you forget even to blink. Hotel owners have thoughtfully placed chairs in the natural water of the spring for the tourists. Finally, after a long and tiresome journey, we have arrived at the breathtaking Jannat Waterfall. Look behind me and you will see the stunning sight for yourself. Jannat means paradise, and it is aptly named, as no other title can do justice to this natural wonder. The water cascades down from a height of over 40 meters, creating a mesmerizing and breathtaking sight altogether. A large number of tourists and families flock to this waterfall from all over Pakistan. Reaching this hidden gem is not easy, but this is what makes it rewarding. Now we are walking closer to the waterfall. As we approach, we are overcome by the soothing sound of the water and the mist that surrounds us. The roar of the waterfall grows louder, and we cannot resist the temptation to take a dip in the natural wonder. But we must be cautious because the rocks around the waterfall can be slippery. So every step requires attention and care. The closer we get to the waterfall, the more breathtaking it becomes. Every step reveals a new level of beauty, leaving us spellbound. People of all ages, from children to elderly, from men to women alike, are enjoying in waterfall and reveling in its beauty. It's a reminder for all of us to be mindful of our families and respect each other's space. Similarly, women should also avoid expecting same level of comfort as they enjoy at home. If you are in the vicinity of Abbott, Jannat Waterfall must be in your must visit destination.
Overall, this is perfectly safe for the kids as well.
They can enjoy themselves in the shallow water of the spring.
Coming from waterfall, savor the hot pakoras, samosas,
Chips or burgers from snack shop. And for a truly unique dining experience, sit by the natural spring, dip your feet in the water and enjoy your snack while connecting with the nature, where chairs have been provided for you to sit and relax.